Hello there, Nathan at InfoGamer. Don't know if you remember me. It's been so long since my last video. It's been over a year, maybe even two. Last video was January 2023. That's a long time. Some of you might not even remember me. Probably thought I was dead or something. And yeah, it's not good. I'm sorry. I'm here to apologize. But I'm back. I'm here. I'm going to start making new videos and putting out new content. Get back into game development. Now, if you're still subscribed to my channel, I want to give you a shout out and say thank you so much for still being subscribed and for still being willing to support me and this channel. I've got some big plans coming for this channel. Things have changed just all around. Everything. Your lives have changed. My lives have changed. Let's just go through a few of them. To tell you the truth, my life has just been way super crazy the last couple of years. Really, just always crazy. But things are settling down. I don't want to get too much into the weeds and the past, but just to give you a couple things, we had COVID. Everybody hated COVID. Everybody, it doesn't have nobody's got good feelings about COVID. We've got, let's see, TikTok's changed, the social media sphere, the YouTube sphere is all changed. There was the big, huge Unity debacle, all the fallout from that. Nobody wants to really think about that or remember it. I don't even know. I've been so out of the loop with all of that. I don't even know where all of you guys stand with Unity and whether or not you're even still making games with Unity or if everybody's moved on. And so right now, that was a big thing, was like, oh, wow, like if this is happening, do I even get back into my YouTube and game development, or do I move on or switch platforms, whatnot? And now we've got AI, which is also another thing, which was like, I don't even know if I should keep with what I was doing, because my whole channel has been, majority of it has just been tutorials on how to make games in Unity, and with a simple little prompt, simple little, oh, how do you do this? How do you do that? In AI, you can, a lot of people just are doing that nowadays. And so it's like, will people even watch? Will you guys even watch if I continue putting out tutorials? It's a big unknown, but I have fun. It's fun. It's fun. It's just the main thing was just my life. So let's get into that. Now, just to name a few things, I'm dad, full-time dad. Currently, kids are in school. Got 2 beautiful children. And that's a huge part of my life. And with, all the things that are crazy in my life, my family is number one priority. And so if ever there's just no time to make videos because I got to spend time with the family or help my kids with different stuff, that's going to come first. And I want to let all of you know, as I'm getting back into this, if ever there's a period of time, hopefully it's not going to be a year or 2 years in the future, but if ever there's like a week or maybe even a month where I'm not putting out any videos, it's probably just because I'm taking care of my personal responsibilities and putting my family as my number one priority. Now, the number one reason why I stopped putting out videos and I've been away for this last period of time was that 2 years ago, I had a tree fall on my house. Let me show you that. Now, here's a picture of the tree and my house. The tree fell during a crazy storm. Now, luckily, when the tree fell, it kind of just came down, clipped our house. It took out the roof overhang in that corner of the house, but it also did take out the power lines, the main power lines, and we lost the ground to our house, which just caused a bunch of energy, electricity to just be constantly pumped into our house. Wires were overheating, things were smoldering, and our house actually filled up with smoke. We were able to get everyone out, and the fire department came, the power company came, turned everything off. The best news is that nobody died, which, the tree came very close to actually landing on our bedroom, and there was no fire. Our house didn't burn down to the ground. We did go through a whole ordeal of getting it repaired and insurance and all of that. So the best news of all of this is that nobody died. We're all safe. And now that things are finally starting to settle down, I'm back to it. I'm going to try to stay and keep making new videos. Now, I know that since I've been gone for so long, I'm going to have to work really hard to regain your guys' trust and to build this channel back up. But that's what I'm going to do. I've got some big changes in mind for this channel, things that are coming down the pipeline, and I am really excited about what the future holds. Now, one thing to note is that with the changes of the world and the changes of my life and how I've grown over the years, as well as how the dynamic of this channel has changed, this channel is never going to be the same. It's not going to just be about Unity and Unity tutorials. I don't want it to just be about those things. I want it to be so much more. For the most part, it is going to still be about game development because that's what I do and that's what I enjoy doing. But this channel is going to be for me, and the number one goal is to have fun and to be creative. Once again, I want to thank everyone who's still subscribed to my channel. I want to thank you for being subscribed all of these years. I want to welcome anyone who's new, who's viewing this channel for the very first time. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, leave them down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. We'll see you in the next one.